bisexual. I'm a queer. And I'm a...
This is what you call a human being. Sickness. That's a sick person. And this kind of a sickness, an earthly doctor cannot heal. This kind of a sickness only the divine doctor, the heavenly doctor can heal. My dear friends, you cannot survive without Jesus Christ. There is no solution for your problems. There is no healing for your sickness unless you come back and repent before Jesus Christ. Before it's too late. Before Satan take you with him to hell.